You know what's more difficult than trying to get your startup off the ground? Trying to get your startup off the ground as you're trying to stay organized while going through the YC startup school. Today I'm going to show you how to make your experience a lot smoother by using the startup OS in Notion. Let's take a look. And here we have our Notion template. Make sure to duplicate it right now. Here's what's inside. We have goals and projects, and we have tasks. We have the startup school events. You can also use this database for note-taking, just create a new event. Then we have contacts, so you can stay on top of the new relationships and friendships that you've made along the way. Next up, we have the weekly updates. They will keep you accountable as you're going through the program. You can also save the best content from the forum directly to Notion so that it never gets lost. Then we have building in public, which is the ultimate accountability. If you're up for it, there is an automation with q.so where you can schedule tweets right from this Notion template. And here comes the best part. This template comes with a lot of pre-built automations that will make your entire workflow a lot smoother. You can save context from LinkedIn directly to Notion, or you can create a to-do task with a simple shortcut using Bardeen.ai. Here's how it works. Here we have the task database. We can open Bardeen with a shortcut, hit to do, and create a new task. Hit enter, run this, and this task is going to show up in our Notion database over here. The template uses the new status property in Notion. And now comes the really hard part of actually building your startup. Make it a little bit easier by clicking on that download button.